How to fix WhatsApp error, your phone date is inaccurate on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. It's easy. First just open a system on the updates, and here we'll find dates and time. Click on it, and if you can't find it here, then just type here date and scroll until you find date and time, and then all you need to do, just enable this one. You will find it like that, set automatically. You will find it like that. Just click on it and enable it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And if that doesn't fix your problem, you can just go to settings and then apps, and apps again, and WhatsApp, and then just clear cache and force stop, and it must be fixed. And see you in the next video.